Let's go, everyone. Today I'm super excited to unbox these Yeezy slides. So I just got these new from StockX. The box looks like it has a little bit of, looks like it's been through some stuff. I don't know, there's like maybe someone's eating on this box before who sold it, but should be authenticated by StockX and should be real. So this is the unboxing. Wow. Okay, so this looks a little rough too. Wow. That's what's up. Yeezy, what is this? What the heck, StockX? Are these really brand new? Supposed to be, and I will be wearing this funky fresh glow green color for the summer. Always verified authentic. All right. Here's the other one. Like the color. Then here's a tag. So it's kind of weird that they sent them like this and it was tags off, but it's supposed to be brand new. I don't know how I feel about this, but I'm excited. These are the Yeezy slides in glow green, funky fresh color for the summer. Let me know what you think of these slides in the comments below, and I will have more Yeezy unboxings coming soon. Got a good amount of 350s to unbox, so follow, like, subscribe for more random unboxing videos. All right, hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Later.